Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I come back to Carlisle because I had a piece of equipment that I needed to pick up from a small engine repair facility up in Germantown. So I came up to Carlisle again to hopefully get more trains than I did the other day, because when I was here last week I only got two. So I think down there's a signal, it's red, but there's a defect detector up there at mile marker 55.3 that'll let me know if something's coming south, and there's a defect detector down there at, I think it's 33.5 or maybe 33.3. I don't remember. I would call out, but once one of those get called out, I'll know something's on the way, because there was a northbound coming through just as I was about to pull into the park. So I missed it. But once we get it, we'll get the video rolling. But it's raining, so it's kind of a crappy day. So a lot of sitting inside the truck until something comes. But at least it's not freezing out here. All right, we'll wait for the first one to show up. Hey everyone, I've switched locations to Farmington Road in Miamisburg, which is just north. It was like 7 minutes north. It's an oddly weird spot, but it's where CSX Norfolk Southern lines do converge here. So hopefully I doubled my chances, because Carlisle was like dead. Nothing was going on the scanner. Like, I heard nothing at all. So I figured I'd come here. Hopefully this will double my chances. If I get told to leave by like some cop or something, I'll leave. Like, there's a house right over here. That's a cool house though. Like, lone house right there by the railroad tracks. That would be awesome. But hey, I got too many approaches on Norfolk Southern southbounds just to the left of me. So maybe I'll get something. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Well, folks, we'll take our first one of the day, but man, there's all sorts of like car parts and stuff around here. Let's go over here by these junction boxes. And he's coming, so those gates are going to go down any moment now, if you can hear them. His first one of the day, Farmington Road. He's on the CSX line running northbound, and it sounds like he is booking. There go the gates. So all these gates are going to go down. So these two will go down. This set will go down. That set stays up. Here he comes. And he is booking. Screaming by. Auto racks. Are full, and they're going so fast I can't even see what's inside. Rick and Morty just went by. Good little art show. He's throwing off quite the breeze. God, they are booking. That's the first one of the day. Hopefully we get a little more, get some footage. So over there's an old coal-fired power plant. They're tearing that all down over there. As you can see, the piles of debris, all the generators look, they've been torn out. So here's the Norfolk Southern line right here. We're waiting on them. I got 2 medium approaches on both lines, and now we just went yellow on the CSX line, so we will have something eventually coming southbound. So we'll see how long that takes. All right, that was a good one. Standing by for the next. All right, folks, I heard the defect detector go off near Carlisle, so it's another one's coming north. But I've been listening to that one all the way up until Dayton that went by that auto rack. This one's got like 600 something axles, so it's going to be a decent train. Once you look around at this, it's actually kind of beautiful out here, minus the shitty weather. But you got a nice little farm over there, and then you got this house and that house there, and there's a couple houses there. They're probably so used to the trains. But this guy's coming up. Once again, we're going to see all these gates go down. Let's talk about these two will go down here, and then that one will go down there. Now, if it's a Norfolk Southern train, I think all the gates go down except for that guy. So we'll see. But you know, ain't crazy if you're 2 trains coming, like a train meet and 2 lines, and you get stuck right here. So yeah, I started the video kind of early, but I just wanted to talk about where I am a little bit because I've never been here. So this is Miamisburg, Farmington Road in Miamisburg. That's where I am today. I don't know how long I'm going to stick around here. It's not sketchy, but at the same time, I'm waiting for like a cop to pull up and be like, "What are you doing here, son?" Just watching trains, sir. That's all I'm doing. But I don't have none of that yet. But I'm standing right beneath these signal lamps here on closer to the Norfolk Southern side. We get a good shot of this guy coming up, so you can hear him. He'll be here any moment. I'll wait for those gates to go down. And there they go. See, CSX, those are going to go down all the way, and just that one on the Norfolk Southern side. So he's coming up. Boy, this guy's horn is louder than the last guy, so that's cool. Nice little breeze coming off this guy from the truck frames. Steel coils. Little boxcar lash up coming. 10 a.m. Look at that. That's cool. Oh man, no DPU. I was hoping for a DPU. All right, there they go. Old Fred flashing on the back. He was moving so fast, he's got things shaking and moving over there. All right, there go the gates. People are gonna go about their business. That was a good one. Keep waiting for the next one. All right, folks. Number 3 is on the way. I hear him. I just heard him about 10 minutes ago, not even that, 5 minutes ago. He hit the end of the train, hit the defect detector at Carlisle. There we go to the gates. Oh yeah, go. Yeah, we got a runner. Yeah, because that was just so bad for you to wait there, buddy. But he is booking. This guy is booking. Looks like we got an ethanol train. We got ourselves an ethanol train here, man. Comes the end. And I hope you guys like fast trains, because you got them today. So there go the gates. Let's look at these lights. You may have seen them come on when the train entered the block. That means there's a train in the block. That's why they came on. So ethanol trains, you may be wondering what those covered hopper cars are after the locomotive, before the tank cars, and then afterwards. So those are like buffer cars. They put like sand or gravel in those to basically, if there is some sort of accident, to cause less of an explosion, because ethanol is very highly flammable and pretty unstable. So, but all right, there's number 3. I'm gonna get in the truck and warm up, because man, that one made me cold. All right, guys, we'll wait for the next one, but that was a good one. All right, number 4 is coming. Those girls in that car there are looking for their dog. His name is Benny. Hopefully they find him and he doesn't come down here. So these gates are going down. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll step out the road, because I can. There ain't nobody coming anyways. Gates are down. We got this guy coming. All right. Steel coil train. All right. coil train for CSX headed north. The Norfolk Southern steel coil train continues to elude me, but I will eventually get it. So whether it's on this line, well, it won't be here because it goes to Middletown. I'm way north of Middletown. Like I said, the girls in that blue car were looking for their dog. Hopefully they find it. His name's Benny. Said he's very friendly, so I'll keep a lookout. Why, I'm good. I got number 4, so we'll keep standing by. All right, that's CSX I-141 coming through. Boy, he's booking. Breeze coming off of there. Walmart containers. There he goes. Down towards Cincinnati. Fred flashing on the back. If I don't get any more today, if I don't get any more for the next, I don't know, hour, less than that, that might be it for me today. But we'll see. I got some stuff I got to do, so we'll see what happens. Alrighty. Alright. First Norfolk Southern train of the day. I want to say it's Norfolk Southern because CSX is right there. So, but I am out of amazement by some of these people that fly through these crossings. And then there's like people that crawl through them. There was one guy that came through here so fast, I thought his truck bed was going to fly off. Not that guy. But there was one guy who came through here. I really thought his truck bed was going to fly off. Let's see how fast they go through. I don't know, because I've never seen Norfolk Southern come through these lines. This is the Dayton district, I believe. Because obviously we're not that far from Dayton. But, whew, man, it's a little chilly out here. All right. Let's see what we get here. This gate should be going down any moment. It should be activated at any moment here. And we'll get this guy. And honestly, I think this guy will be it for me today regardless. It looks like a local. I got to get some stuff done. So, and I'm not getting anything done sitting in my truck waiting on trains. See, look, that gate goes down now because Norfolk Southern's coming. Just that gate stays up, and that gate goes down. local, headed up towards Dayton. I don't even know if Fred's on there working, but he's on there. And it's starting to rain again, so gates are going up. And I think that's it for me today. I don't want to end with a local, but unless I get in something's coming up CSX or something's in the block coming south, I have to get some stuff today. But as 1960 Gambit always says, just say on camera that you're going to leave and more trains will show up. So I do have to leave and I have to get stuff done. So nothing else shows in the next 20 minutes. I'm out of here. All right, folks, that's it for me today. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that little notification bell if you want to get the notifications. Keep watching my videos and my shorts. I'm trying to get some playlists put together, but I only got 50-something videos, so, you know, but they'll get there. But thanks for the support. Thanks for helping me grow the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy this video. We'll see you the next time out here on the High Iron.